Welcome to today's video. We're about to show you how to quickly analyze data using Excelmatic, our powerful Excel AI. Here we have a sample Excel sheet containing fruit sales data. It includes columns for sales representative, fruit type, region, monthly sales data from October 2024 to September 2025, with FY25 as the annual total. If you're new to Excel, looking at such robust data may seem overwhelming. How can you dive right in and extract meaningful insights quickly? That's exactly what we'll demonstrate today. Let's get started. First, we open the Excelmatic website. With a few clicks, we upload our Excel file, and the AI automatically recognizes and prepares the data for analysis. Now, I'll ask our first question. How many apples were sold at OCT 24 to Mar 25 in Germany? Watch as Excelmatic processes this query and delivers the precise answer in seconds. Look how easy it is. We just got the right answer in seconds. Next, I type, how many oranges were sold at OCD 24 to Mar 25 in Spain? Again, Excelmatic quickly and accurately retrieves the data you need, eliminating complex manual calculations. With these two examples, you can see how Excelmatic simplifies your data analysis, saving time and removing the need for tedious formula work. It's perfect for beginners and data enthusiasts alike. That wraps up our demonstration. We hope you feel empowered to use Excelmatic for your daily data challenges. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Excel AI tips and tricks. Happy analyzing!